Hi everyone, welcome back to Be Beautiful. If you're new here, my name is Archana and I help you ease into the cruelty-free beauty world one step at a time. So please consider subscribing and also keep all your notifications on so that you don't miss any of the upcoming videos. I have a lot of content lined up for you guys, be it product reviews, makeup tutorials or DIYs or information on cruelty-free brands. There is a lot of content waiting for you, so please make sure that all your notifications are on. This is a slightly different video and I'm super excited to announce my first ever course on a platform called Graphy. So the course is about mastering natural makeup techniques, something that all of us really always wanted to learn. Natural makeup is something that we can use in our day-to-day lives, in parties, occasions, literally everywhere you can use natural makeup. So natural makeup techniques are really something that you should master before you get on to party looks or any other looks if you want to learn those. So the platform Graphy itself is really interesting because the course is divided into chapters like the chapters of a book, and I'm really excited to say that the first chapter of my course is now up and live. I will leave a link to my course of mastering natural makeup techniques down in the description box for you to check it out, so make sure you check my Graphy out. And also I wanted to say that if you want to create content and if you want to create short courses, long courses, whatever it is, if you have been really keen on creating a course of your own, you can join Graphy as a content creator. And for this as well, I will leave a link down in the description box. So if you're interested in creating content and putting it on the platform, you can feel free to use that link and go ahead and create the content. So I launched a course on natural makeup techniques because that is something I really believe in, and I also think that in today's digital world where we are living in a world of video calls and conference calls and Zoom calls, I think it's super important to make yourself look and feel confident with a little bit of makeup that you can do in under 10 to 15 minutes. So take a look at the trailer in which I explain what my course on Graphy is all about. Hello lovelies, this is Archana Sharma, a chartered accountant turned beauty influencer and a cruelty-free makeup artist for my passion for makeup. And I'm also an avid researcher of cruelty-free brands in India. In this Graphy, you are going to learn about the concept of natural makeup. I have trained individuals and helped them enhance their beautiful features while using makeup techniques to make them look like themselves but better. I have also helped train individuals to become bridal makeup artists so that they can convert this beautiful art into a career. As a makeup artist, I have worked on some amazing projects like Lakme Fashion Week, India's Next Top Model, the launch event of NYX brand in Mumbai, and web series and TV and print ads for brands like Amazon, Myntra and Tresemme. And not only that, I've worked on some amazing celebrities like Mithila Palkar, Dhruv Sehgal, Avanti Patel, Rajashri Singha and Dolly Singh, and also on various brides. I started a channel on YouTube in order to spread awareness about cruelty-free brands easily available in India, and I continue to do so along with giving out product reviews and makeup tutorials there as well. In this Graphy, you are going to learn about all the celebrity makeup artist techniques that they use on famous faces that you see every day on TV to get that flawless kind of a look. If you are struggling with getting that flawless base or a thin cat eyeliner, or to get that sculpted face that looks so natural, then this Graphy is for you. I'll be sharing with you my experience of working on amazing projects and artists through chapters like how to get that flawless base, how to get thin lines of eyeliner, how to sculpt your face to look very natural, and also how to cover your dark circles to look flawless every single time. I'll also show you how to put all of this together and get a complete flawless natural look without spending hours in front of the mirror. And all this while using 100% cruelty free products. I've worked on so many models and brides in the past, and now I'm super excited to share all these makeup techniques with you in order to help you achieve that flawless makeup look. So join me in this Graphy and get complete access to all the chapters, and then let's begin this journey. So I hope you got a good understanding of what this course is all about. I feel that we should upgrade our skills in each and every area. I have been upgrading my skills in the digital world during the lockdown, and I continue to do so because I want to really grow in life, and I feel that each of us should take up little courses in the areas that we are interested in. So if you are interested in this course, please take a look at the course, and also you can share it with your friends, family, acquaintances, or in your groups where you think that people will be interested in doing a course on natural makeup techniques to upgrade their skills. And this course is something that you can do sitting at home at your own pace and with very little products and tools. So this is going to be really convenient. So I hope to see you on Graphy very soon, and let's master natural makeup techniques together. So that's it for today's video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also the most important part is sharing this video with as many people as possible, sharing the link if possible in the groups that you are a part of, so that we can upgrade our skills and master the natural makeup techniques together. So thank you so much for watching once again, and I will see you again very soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.